So this is a quick review of this handheld cordless vacuum cleaner. I recently bought it from Amazon. It was on a special deal for $80. It has good fit and finish. Rechargeable battery pack is this. These are 4 LEDs for charging status. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has a HEPA filter in here. And the cleaning head has a better design as compared to my Dyson DC24 roller, because the hair don't get stuck in the roller. I will disassemble it and I'll show you what each part is like. So to turn it on, this is the switch. These are the speeds, as you can see: high, medium and low. This is how it looks from the other side. I will do a noise test also to show you how loud it is. Now I'm going to show you how the battery pack is removed and how it looks. So this is a clip, you pull it, the battery pack is removed, and as you can see, it's a lithium-ion battery pack, 29 volts, 2200 milliamps. Very easy. And this is the dust collector. It's a bagless type. Just twist it like this and remove it. To remove the dust collected in here, you just open this clip. There is a filter inside this one. It's a HEPA filter, so you can remove it like this. This is a very, very fine steel gauze, so it filters the primary dust, and this one makes it the HEPA compliant. So you push it back in, do it this, snapped, and then very easy, like this. Now, how to operate it and how much noise does it make? Let me show you that. And to make its length shorter so that it is truly a handheld, all you need to do is press this and these 2 red buttons. It disengages from here and then you press this button and similarly this button on that side, and it is disengaged. Then you can connect it directly here, and it becomes a truly handheld with short distance for reaching something like a countertop or other places. And when you are removing this and connecting it back, be careful not to pinch your finger, just like I did here between these 2. So hold it from here. So all in all, it's an excellent purchase. It's not only cheap, it is performing well, and the only thing I would not be looking for maybe is a smart charger for it, which can automatically charge and then bring it down to a trickle charge for these batteries. This charger also seems okay, but the literature, the owner's manual of this vacuum suggests that you should not keep it hooked to the charger all the time. I find it a little strange, but I'll do some more research, and if I think that getting a smart charger would be a good idea, I will get that. Otherwise, I'll leave it as such. So thanks for watching. In case of any questions, please let me know. So I have installed this charging and docking station here. This is how it looks like. Right up to the charging adapter is here. There are two long screws. One is here, one is here, and this is the charging port which connects to the body of the vacuum. This is how I have laced the wire. So in this video I'm going to show you how much watts does this unit take while charging. So I'm going to connect it to this. So it's close to 19 watts and it will start dropping slowly when it reaches when all the 4 bars are fully covered, and that will show that it is 100% charged. And this will keep dropping. It should come down to close to I think 2 or 3 watts, which would be the trickle charge. So let's see how long does it take. So as you can see, it is going from 3 bars to 4th. And then I'll check it after 30 minutes to see where it is. 30 minutes, as you can see, the wattage draw has dropped down to 0.7 and all 4 bars are full. So once the battery is fully charged, the watts drop down to 0.7. So now it is at trickle charge. It will continue at this. Thanks for watching.